Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and for today's video, MGA Entertainment sent me a very special doll as a gift, which is the first ever Doll Boy from Rainbow High. As soon as I saw the first pictures of this doll, I was so curious for this one, so I'm really excited to add him to my growing Rainbow High collection. On my previous Rainbow High videos, I've noticed that quite a lot of you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, so it would mean the world to me if you'd make sure to subscribe, because that really helps out my channel and make sure you never miss another Rainbow High review or restyle. In box, I can already tell I'm really gonna love this one, with his really cute face and super realistic fashion. The boxes for these dolls are very nice because they give you a good look at the doll you're getting and the second outfit they come with. This doll's name is River Kendall and he's from Series 2 of Rainbow High that you can also watch on YouTube. In last week's episode, we got our first good look at River, where he was the judge of the cheer outfits the girls made, and I really loved his little interaction with Amaya, so I can't wait to see where that goes. With that blue color in the new Amaya's hair, I also think they really look great together. To see Amaya's review from Series 2, you can click the iCard in the screen. For River's box, you can find the characters from Series 2, including himself, and the back of the box is the same as Amaya's, with the golden Rainbow High logo at the top, the character art from Series 2, including River himself, and it says "Welcome to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama." And honestly, I'm really excited to just get him out of that box. For that, I'm cutting the tape on the side, top and bottom of the box to open up the back of the box, so you can take out the doll, and this separate box with his second outfit, and his doll stand as well. For River, his stand is a teal color with some glitter mixed in as well. He also comes with clothing hangers in a lighter blue color. What I noticed right away is that River is able to stand on his own really well. He also includes a comb, just like for the girl dolls, that matches his doll stand. For the sake of the review, I am gonna put him on his stand for more stability. Starting at the top, this doll is wearing a cap with dollar signs on it that is attached to his head with a pack very similar to Ruby's cap. That also means that he does have that hole at the top of his head, but honestly this will not show when you're styling the hair, so I really like this system since the cap will stay on really well. The sides of the doll's head are flocked and ombreed from a light blue to a white blonde color, which I like a lot better than I expected. As you can see, the top of his hair is this teal color and it is quite long, so that will give us a lot of styling options. The outfit River is wearing I love a lot, because there's so much going on, with a lot of layering too. My favorite piece of this outfit is the jacket. That's a vibrant blue denim fabric with leather sleeves and really nice bomber jacket finishing on both the sleeves and the bottom. The jacket also has these faux button details and the RH logo embroidered on the front. The back is embroidered as well with the word rainbow, which is a great detail. When you take off that jacket, he's wearing a hoodie with cropped sleeves. What I think is really cool is that these sleeves look unfinished. They are stitched to the hoodie, which makes it look very intentional, almost like he cut off his own sleeves. I think it would have been really cool to see this sweater with sleeves, but I can imagine that would not have fit underneath the jacket, so it does make a lot of sense. Taking off the jacket also reveals his arms that have some very nice articulation. He can touch his eyes and his lips without any issues, and I feel like he might be even more articulated in his arms than the girl dolls. River also wears this faux shirt wrapped around the waist, which is made in a very similar way to the one Ruby came with. I do really appreciate that they included this, because he already had so many pieces in that first outfit. Then this doll also comes with these really nice jeans that are cuffed at the bottom and have these really realistic details on those cuffs as well. The jeans have 2 slits at the knee, so you could distress this even more if you wanted. The stitching is brown and it has a button detail just like on the jacket. These jeans even have functioning back pockets, which is such a cool detail. And I also noticed that the front pockets are real too. That really makes these jeans even better to me, because this will look so cute in pictures. The blue shoes River is wearing have these orange tags on them, which made me expect he would get in a romance with Skylar, because she has similar tags on her blue heels, and she was the first one to bump into him in the animated series. One difference I did notice is that this orange tag has C2021 on it, and I believe Skylar has 2020 on it. The European version did come out in 2021, so I'm not sure if older River dolls from the USA have 2020 on it. So if you own him, let me know what his tag says for your doll in the comments down below. The shoes have these clear blue soles, so you can see his little toes, and I think that's really cool, because we have seen those clear details in the shoes for other Rainbow High dolls before. What's also very neat is that his feet are actually articulated, so that's a really nice extra point of articulation for River. The feet also look very nicely detailed and so realistic, which I personally really like. For the shirt, it's the same type of hood we've seen before that velcros open in the back. Then for his body, you can see that he has some very toned abs, and underneath his jeans, River is wearing some light blue boxer shorts to make sure he's always appropriate. River's second outfit consists of a white t-shirt, black, blue and gold jacket, some blue snakeskin print shorts, and another pair of sneakers with white socks. The jacket has RH printed all over it, because this print goes all the way around. There's this elastic band on the bottom, and on the sleeves as well. And then once again, we have this stunning zipper detail that I love on all of my Rainbow High dolls. This jacket, however, has a real hood with golden trim around it. Then the white t-shirt is really nice and simple. It says Rainbow Paris and has this rainbow stripe underneath it. And the shirt velcros in the back. River also has these snakeskin shorts that also have real pockets. The way these shorts are finished with that leather look really make them look so detailed and high quality. The fabric feels really sturdy too, and we once again have that button detail to complete the shorts. The socks River comes with say rainbow on the side, and this print really reminds me of Skylar once again, because her sweater has a print on her sleeve that's very similar. And of course, he has 2 of these socks. Lastly, we have his shoes, that are these low Converse style shoes that have RH and rainbow on the sides. Blue painted detail, And those rings are actually painted metallic silver, which really blows my mind. These shoes are also somewhat see-through, which gives a really funny effect. To wash River's hair, I dressed him in his shorts that kinda look like swim shorts now. For this restyle, I want to get the gel out of the hair and change the styling a bit. The way this doll comes, his hair is styled straight back, but I prefer the hair to be styled to the side and slightly to the front. First, I get the gel out by rinsing the hair in lukewarm water, being super careful of the flocking because I really want to keep that intact. Then to get the hair to lay the way I want, I pour some boiling hot water over the hair, once again being careful of that flocking. This shows you the hair length of this doll, which is pretty extreme, but I am planning to do some fun hairstyles on him and probably trim his top a little. So if you're curious to see different styles on this doll, follow me on Instagram as well. Washed and dressed in his second outfit, this is what River looks like. To get him camera ready, I did brush the hair back and simply twist the ends in to give him this really nice and styled swoop. Because the hair is so long, you can also give him a really cute little top knot in case he's gonna play sports. As you can see, the boil wash did make this hair lay much flatter, which also allows you to style River's hair in this rockstar look. Then I also wanted to show you this jacket on a Rainbow High girl, and let me tell you that I absolutely love this. To me, this pair is definitely couple goals, and I already know that my girls are gonna be stealing River's clothes a lot. I really hope you liked this video and the Rainbow High doll I showed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more doll videos. Please let me know in the comments which Rainbow High doll you want to see next. And for more doll pictures, you can follow me on Instagram @thedollboy. See you next time!